This is the algorithm. But we've decided that we want to reuse this algorithm over and over and over and over again, and we want to do different things with it, with the results of the algorithm. So what we've done here is we've created an abstract void process number method that takes in an int number. Everybody who inherits from even number generator must provide an implementation to this method. And when it does, every time line 16 executes process number, the implementation from the child gets executed. So what I can do here is I can create a class console even number printer, and I can have it inherit from even number generator. And then notice that because this is abstract, I have to actually provide an overload or a override for this. So I can say public override process number, and I can say console write line even number blah. And then what if I wanted to do something else with this algorithm? I can say file even number printer inherits from even number generator, and I could say public override process number, and I could say console.writeLine pretend this is printed to a file.
Autocomplete problem on line 28.
Line 28. Oh. Ah.
That's what you did.
Okay. So what I'm going to do here is I have two classes that both inherit from even number generator, which does some sort of intense calculation, and I want to reuse this algorithm over and over and over and over again. So now all I have to do is create different classes that implement even number generator and provide an implementation for process number. So now if I say console even number printer and then file even number printer, I can say printer dot run, let's say 1 to 200, and I can say printer2 dot run 200 to 500, and then I can go ahead and say console read key. And now if I run this program, you notice that a bunch of even numbers get printed out.